Hi there, welcome to our next Essential Dev Tool. Today we're going to be looking more at databases, and the tool that we're going to be looking at is a store procedure that runs within SQL Server, and it helps you find data. Now, I tend to use this a lot when someone contacts me with a problem with a website and I'm trying to figure out what's going on with their site and the way their data is structured. And if it's not immediately apparent from having a look at it, what's quite nice to be able to do is just be able to take a bit of data and find out where that data exists within tables. So there's a really great store procedure called SearchAllTables, written by someone far cleverer than I am. Here we go. I won't even try and insult them by pronouncing their surname. You can get it from their site there. I'll include a link to the site on the blog post that goes along with this video, as well as the actual code as well, just in case this gets taken down at some point. So if we run that store procedure to create that store procedure, there we go, and there we go. Let's try that again. There we go, it could be successfully that time. Helps if you can copy and paste correctly, doesn't it? So if I try and run that again, we should get an error saying it's already there, because we don't have a drop clause on the top if it's already there. So basically what we can do once we have this here is if we open up a new query, we can simply run this command and we can put in something that we're searching for. This is a estate agent's website, so let's have a look for something like landing, and we know the word landing appears somewhere in the site, and we want to see where that word is stored, which tables and which fields it's stored in. So if we execute that, what we should get back is we receive the name of the table. So these first two here, it's in table room, and the field is title, and then we have some other things here. This is some other bits and pieces. These don't look as relevant for what we're looking at. But we can see where these things are stored. Now, if we were looking at a problem with a specific record, what we'd often do here is we'd now do a query, and we'd have a look at this here. So we'd go select star from room where title equals or contains landing, to try and find out what's going on there. What you can sometimes do with this, though, if you do get back an awful lot of stuff where you've got a piece of text that's in lots of fields and you still can't really get to the bottom of it, if you have access to the user interface for a website, if you have access to content management system, or if it's an application, you have access to the system itself, you can create a new record or edit a record and put in a value like ZZZ12345, something like that, put it in, save it down, and then run this searching for that value within a field, and then you'll find exactly where that's stored. Which is a really helpful tool for when you are trying to find your way around a database, really. Especially if it's obviously if it's a database you've done, you'd probably know. But if it's one that you're taking over from someone else or one you've not used for a while, really, really helpful tool. Okay, if you'd like this tip, then check out the blog or the channel on YouTube to see others. Thank you very much for listening.